Yeah. He sneezed. Right when the frames begun, and Vicky and Rosamar were off screen, you could tell that Rosamar wasn't loaded to reduce lag. Ricky is rubber, so there's that. And then later on, Rosamar would end up popping up. She is also made of rubber. And that's when she would say that she's gonna let go now. James pointed a thumbs up. Rosamar counting down. She was kind of put in this animation in which this was cut. And then when Rosamar letting go, causing him to go flying. I kind of put down my computer. Puro dropping the book. Hook and saying that. Then them laying down. I don't know what that is. You can tell I kind of adjusted the figure. Rosamar and Ricky fell down. And he am sleeping. Harry fixed the arm. Then the sneeze came in. Right when he did that, I fell off. I was still loaded up. He was he didn't even know he does that. Then basically what I had is I had myself move off back on screen. And after a short while, then Dr. K came in and saying that which there was no model for him available. Also, all that was his text. I guess I might as well. We'll do case animatronics. Oh, my arm just cracked. I couldn't do Evil Nun because my recorder kept crashing.
Looks like I fell asleep. It's almost midnight. What is it? Strange. No one else should be here. I'll go check.
Wait, is this the tutorial again?
Ah, yes, the tablet. The department relies too much on this new monitoring system. At this rate, they'll soon give us a joystick and a lightsaber. How much does it cost? Okay, got it. What a comfortable gadget. In 10 years, these are going to be everywhere. But still, a human is irreplaceable. I'll go ahead and have a look around. The battery drains out very quickly. You need to save the battery's energy. Excellent. There was a charger in Ben's office. Hell, what is it? I better approach the fuse box in the control room. According to the evacuation scheme on the wall of my room, the control room is in B7.
No, there's one old flashlight. That's not it. John Bishop, which is my player, I'm guessing. No, this is just a brand new game. Locked. And the game restart.